In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe. If you're using MemberPress for memberships, Affirm is supported only through the built-in integration with Stripe. In other words, you won't connect Affirm directly to MemberPress. You'll enable Affirm inside your Stripe account, and MemberPress will surface it on your registration forms through that Stripe connection. Start by making sure Stripe is already connected to MemberPress on your site. Use the MemberPress settings to authenticate with Stripe so payments can flow properly. Once connected, take a moment to test that connection. A quick check now helps prevent confusion later, and it confirms that MemberPress can talk to Stripe without issues. When your Stripe connection is set and tested, head into Stripe to enable Affirm. Log into your Stripe dashboard, open Settings, and go to Payment Methods. Scroll to the Buy Now, Pay Later section and locate Affirm. Turn it on. Stripe may prompt you to review terms or verify your eligibility. Keep in mind that availability can depend on your country, business type, and the currency you charge in. If Affirm isn't shown, verify that your account and currency meet Stripe's requirements for this payment method. Next, go back to your website dashboard, open MemberPress, and navigate to the Payments tab. Enable Affirm within MemberPress so it can be offered to your customers through the Stripe integration. You're not adding a separate gateway here, you're simply allowing MemberPress to display Affirm as another Stripe-powered option. Once enabled, your membership registration forms will automatically show Affirm as a payment choice. Shoppers who qualify can select a pay over time plan through Affirm while you still receive funds through Stripe like you normally do. This works on both Stripe Checkout, Stripe's hosted secure payment page, and Stripe Elements, which keeps the payment fields embedded directly on your site. Whichever flow you use, Affirm will appear where Stripe presents available methods. To verify everything, preview a registration page and proceed to checkout to confirm that Affirm is visible alongside your other payment options. If you're testing, consider using Stripe's test mode and a test product so you don't create real charges. If Affirm doesn't show up right away, clear any site or plugin caching, refresh the page, and double-check that it's enabled both in Stripe and in the MemberPress Payments tab. Also remember that some payment methods only display for eligible amounts, regions, or currencies. That's all it takes. By enabling Affirm in Stripe and switching it on in MemberPress, you've added a flexible buy now, pay later option without changing your existing setup,